The Aurora Laundry Dispenser is the latest technology for OPL and commercial laundry from DEMA. Aurora is a smart laundry system with forward-thinking technology using Bluetooth for Apple and Android devices as well as PC integration. Its interface allows you to use your smartphone to write and store programs, wash data, service notes, and reminders. Aurora blends smart device technology with DEMA's mechanical innovations, such as quick change pumps and durable gear motors. The Aurora is the best option when looking for a system that accurately dispenses chemicals while tracking use, formula, and other data. Aurora will save you money by no longer wasting chemicals, and it will save you valuable time previously spent troubleshooting. Aurora's great features include DIN rail mounting, out-of-product sensors, dry contact compatibility, programmable board or with smart device via Bluetooth, data management, and the Aurora pump stand accommodates up to 10 pumps with 2 convertible to flush output for each laundry machine. The Aurora is a dynamic and expanding system that has the capability to meet your current and future needs. Upgrade your Aurora system by adding a chemical measurement system. The CMS eliminates manual pump calibration by measuring and adjusting each chemical as it's being dispensed into the laundry machine. The Pro Select. Pro Select is an on-site selector that gives the user the ability to select and start a formula with the touch of a button. The Multi-Machine. The Multi-Machine module services 2 to 5 laundry machines from a single Aurora dispenser. To learn more about DEMA's Aurora Laundry System or any of our other innovative products, visit DEMAENG.com or call 314-966-3533 today. DEMA, dispensing innovation.